Hi, I'm teacher Aparna. I will give you some extra knowledge related to the topics. If you see the city road, especially during the peak time, we find people very busy, moving around, not bothering about neighbors next to them. People in city often wish they could live in quiet township. Some people may even prefer to have a village life. Discuss among friends the lifestyle in city and village. New words. Up and down, one end to the other. The infant went up and down in the house as he started walking. Sidewalk, footpath. Elderly people prefer to walk through the sidewalk. Subway, underground passage. In a busy traffic, subway is a relief to the people. Underneath, below. The teacher asked those students who did not do the homework to stand underneath the desk. Grumpy, ill-tempered. One who is grumpy cannot succeed in life. Sing a song of people. Louis Levinsky, in his poem Sing a Song of People, brings out the true picture of movement of people around us, especially the people of city. Truly, it is funny to watch. Let us go with the author and accept the reality in the poem. Sing a song of people. Sing a song of people, walking fast or slow. People in the city, up and down they go. People on the sidewalk, people on the bus. People passing in back and front of us. People on the subway, underneath the ground. People riding taxis, round and round and round. People with their hats on, going in the doors. People with umbrellas, when it rains and pours. People in tall buildings and in stores below. Riding elevators, up and down they go. People walking singly, people in a crowd. People saying nothing, people talking loud. People laughing, smiling, grumpy people too. People who just hurry and never look at you. Sing a song of people who like to come and go. Sing of city people you see but never know. Summary. The poet is surprised to see the people in a hurry. He urges to sing a song of people. He says that these days, especially urban people, are always in a hurry. They go here and there hurriedly. We can see people on the sidewalk, bus, subway, etc. They are rushing for the taxis and riding elevators. On one place, they are walking singly, while on the other place, they are in a crowd. They are in such a hurry that they don't look at anyone. The neighbors see them but never know.